How to back up and import configuration data on eWeb. To ensure continuity of network services in enterprise, hotel, and other scenarios, you are advised to back up the configuration data on devices, such as gateways and switches, in advance. When a device fails and needs to be replaced with a new one of the same model, or the device configuration change affects service running, you can import the backed up configuration data to quickly restore services. This video introduces how to back up and import device configuration data on eWeb. Configuring the login environment. Wired mode. 1. Connect the LAN port of the device to the network port of the PC using an Ethernet cable. 2. Set the PC's IP address to be within the same network segment as the device's IP address. The default IP addresses vary with device types. The following table lists the default IP addresses for different device types. If a device's IP address has been modified, the new IP address prevails. Wireless mode. If the device supports the Wi-Fi function, you can connect your PC to the Service Set Identifier, SSID. Enter the device's IP address in the address bar of the browser to display the login page of the device's eWeb. Enter the password to log into the system. This section uses a switch as an example for configuration demonstration. The configuration differences for different types of devices will be highlighted in the corresponding steps. If the device is not networked, choose System Backup from the left navigation pane. If the device is networked, choose One Device Current Device Name. If the device is a gateway, choose One Device Gateway. Then choose Config. System Backup. You can also search for backup in the search box of the function navigation bar. On the Backup and Import page, click Backup to download the configuration data file to the PC. Before importing the configuration data, click Reset on the Reset tab page to restore the device to factory settings. On the Backup and Import tab page, click Browse, and select the saved configuration data file. Click Import. The import operation is completed after the device automatically restarts. If the device is connected to Ruijie Cloud, you can also log into Ruijie Cloud, locate the device, and back up and import the configuration data. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.